How to use Google Sheet data in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so I'm going to show you the perfect method. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my browser, and first tab I have opened the Canva app, and another I need to log in with our Gmail. Okay, just log in with the Gmail account, which Google Drive you want to use. Okay, which Google Sheet or Google Drive you want to use, and then come to the Canva. Let me take one blank presentation page. Okay, so generally we use the Google Sheet data for the chart or graph. So search for chart here in elements, so you can see the lots of charts here. So I take this simple bar chart. Okay, after that just click on it, double click on it, then this enable data customization will be enabled. So you can manually put the data from here, and if you want to take data from your Google Sheet, you need to click on this import data. Okay, now here you need to click on this Google Sheet. So if you are connecting Google Sheet first time in Canva, so there is a maybe the Canva will ask you the require permission, so you need to give the permission, all permission to the Canva. Okay, then your sheet will be look like this. Okay, here you can see all your Google Sheet from your Google Drive, or you can search the name like. Okay, I have only one data sheet, so it's already opened. I just select it. Okay, I have one sheet. This is the data I need to select, and done. Now you can see the data has been selected, D3 to 4 3 E9. Okay, and the label is month and the achievements. So this is a month and achievements. You can change if you want to make achievements here, and month here you can make it. So color by, you can change color by C or whatever. Month, arrange data, average, count, max, whatever you want, you can make it. Sorry, none. So that is how you can refresh one. If you update your Excel sheet, sorry, Google Sheet, then you need to just refresh the data, then all data will be update here. So that is how we can use the Canva sheet in Canva, Google Sheet data in Canva. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.